Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Boost Complete Nutritional Drink. This is just a high protein by Nestle, 50% more protein, 15 grams protein, 26 vitamins and minerals, chocolate sensation, and this just says twist cap to open, and that good stuff. But yeah, so just getting started on the product, or actually flip it over so you guys can see the nutrition facts. It just says amount per serving, and the calories 240, which is good. Yes, and I do apologize for my busted nails, but over here it just says like nutritionist view, contact the nutrition team. It says gluten free, suitable for lactose intolerance, and I will talk about that a little bit later on. You just say shake well, chill, do not freeze, refrigerate after opening, and use within 24 hours. So yeah, and this is just 8 fluid ounces, 237 milliliters, and natural and artificially flavored. So this is Boost, and like it says in the bottle, it's rolling away, but like it says in the bottle, it's like a nutritional drink. So just how I got started drinking these, I've been literally dancing since I was 3, and it was hard for me to like get my protein in and everything, because for a segment of my life I went vegetarian, and if any of you guys know, being vegetarian is if you don't find things to supplement the protein that you're missing out on, it could be like very bad for you. You need protein. And I found myself like once I like went down the vegetarian route, but I'm not a vegetarian anymore, guys, but I still drink these. But once I went down the vegetarian route, I found myself like wanting to faint sometimes and things like that. So I just needed something to like increase my nutritional like value and my balance, and just balance everything out that I was missing out. And so somebody recommended me Boost, and that is how I came about knowing of this product and all of that. But yeah, so just after that, after I learned about Boost and everything, I was very skeptical to buy it, just because like when I look at things like that, my mind just goes to old people, and guys, these are just my opinion, but I always just see like older adults drinking these drinks, and my mind went back because I remembered that one of my uncles, he actually had a bunch of these in his house. So I was like, no, I refuse to get these. I'm not old or anything like that. And so my mom did a little convincing, and then she was like, you know what, like she was like, just try it. And so my mom went out and bought me a pack, and she got chocolate. Chocolate is my favorite, guys, and this is my favorite chocolatey drink. I like this better than I actually like a chocolate smoothie, which is saying a lot. But the other issue too that I usually have with these kind of drinks are like they're kind of like chalky, or like, I don't know, it's just weird to me because it's like the stuff at the bottom kind of gets built up and everything like that. But this was like not any of, like, I literally did not have any of those problems. When you can find that chalkiness in here is when it's been sitting for quite a while. But that's what any drink, I just believe that you just have to shake it up and just be careful about how long you're leaving it for. So I do not refrigerate these at all, guys. I like to just leave them in my pantry, and I just shake it, I twist the cap open and drink it, and it tastes really good to me that way. I know some of my siblings, they refrigerate these, and this is like a family thing. Like we all drink this. Like if all my siblings drink this, my parents drink this, we go to my aunt's and uncle's house, they drink this. My family's very into working out, and this is the other thing that I want to get into. I love drinking these, although I'm not a vegetarian anymore. I feel as if I don't get as much protein as I'm supposed to weekly, and this really helps me like balance that out for me. It's a nice thing to drink after the gym. I have a slight funny story to tell, but I made the mistake in drinking this before I went to the gym, and it, like, for lack of better terms, I ended up leaving the gym early to use the bathroom because it did not sit well on my stomach. So just don't drink this before you go to the gym. But I definitely recommend drinking this after. Something me and my dad do is we mix this in with after our workout, our smoothie powder that we drink, and just after workout powder. It tastes really good. Just be careful, make sure you're reading all the ingredients and everything, and make sure you're reading directions. Sometimes you can't mix things like this with other things, so just be aware of that. But yeah, I love Boost. I think it's a good brand. They have different flavors too, but chocolate is my favorite. It's a very good drink too. You can drink, you can bring this to work. I drink these on my lunch break, and I literally will drink this, and then I'll eat just something small, like a little tiny thing of cookies or something like that, and I'll get filled and I don't even need a whole lunch. So, or this is very good in the morning for breakfast. If you're not a breakfast person, at least just try to get something in your system to get you going. And yeah, I really do love these things. They taste so amazing to me, but like I keep saying, chocolate is my favorite. It's very easy to carry around. You can mix it with other things, and I definitely would recommend this, and it's just one of my favorites. But yeah guys, this is just Boost, and it tastes good.